Guys.
How you doing?
How are you?
What's going on, man?
Everything's good.
Drop the hammer.
Nope.
Hey.
What is going on right
I'm
now?
not getting an answer on calls.
Hey,
You're trying to can you help
get off her now.
help me?
Get off her now.
Give us the channel.
We're here. Thank you.
These are the times when officers arrive seconds before murder, starting with a father who took his 2-year-old child hostage and started shooting.
Oh, hey! Drop the gun! He has a kid hostage right now. He has a gun. He has made 1 gunshot already.
On the 9th of January 2021, a violent altercation between a couple at a parking lot took a terrifying turn when 37-year-old Paul Bolden, armed with a gun, forcibly took the baby from his girlfriend's arms and began firing shots, prompting the mother to immediately call 911.
Van Buren! Hurry up!
Where's your emergency?
Van Buren, hurry up! Van Buren says 7th Avenue. My husband just took my baby. He has a gun. He's loaded. He took the baby. He's trying to kill him. He's shooting fire. He's shooting fire. Man, hurry up! He's trying to shoot. He's trying to kill people. He's on 7th Avenue. He's on 7th Avenue. Van Buren. He's shooting guns. He got my son. He stole my son.
Within minutes, Phoenix officers arrived at the scene, but what they encountered was far worse than expected.
Oh, hey! Drop the gun! Drop the gun, dude! 511, he has a kid hostage right now. He has a gun. He has made 1 gunshot already. We need more units. Block off all traffic. Got a blackmail with the child. Dude, put the kid down, man. Stop! He's got a gun, man. He's got the kid.
10-3 to 4, don't check up more units coming.
Hold on. No! Get the kid! Get the kid! Come here, buddy! Come on, buddy. Come on. I got the kid. Hi, buddy. Are you okay? Hi, bud. I know.
The baby was rescued without any injuries, thanks to the officers' timely and precise actions. As soon as the suspect raised his gun while holding the baby, he was shot right in the head and later pronounced dead at the hospital. But if you thought that was close, the next officer witnessed a man being thrown over a bridge into a deep river.
You just threw a male over the fucking bridge.
He jumped over the bridge.
I watched you. I'm right here. I pull up. They're fist fighting. I start to get out. He throws him over the bridge.
When Officer Christopher Maher of the Daytona Beach Police Department was driving along the Main Street Bridge in Florida, he stumbled upon 2 men engaged in a fist fight, which, before he could intervene, ended in the most disturbing way.
On the ground right now. Get the fuck on the ground. On the fucking ground! X-ray 6-7 Central. On the ground.
I'm gonna sit down.
Main Street Bridge. I just got a male throw another male over the bridge. I got one at gunpoint.
He just jumped over the bridge.
21-year-old Derek Gooden had just thrown Anthony Mascaro headfirst off the bridge, 30 feet down into the Halifax River, leaving the officer with the grueling task of securing the scene and detaining the suspect.
On the ground. Get on your belly right now. Get on your belly right now. Get on your belly right now. On your fucking belly right now.
The suspect then tossed an unknown object into the river and began portraying himself as the victim.
Hey, get my witnesses. Hey, y'all my witnesses, right? Hey, sir. Now I want to tell you boy across the street, man. You see the whole
X-ray
thing.
6-7 Central.
You got me, sir. I ain't going nowhere, sir. He insulted my property. I felt threatened, sir.
You just threw a male over the fucking bridge.
He jumped over the bridge.
I watched you. I'm right here.
Where my bike at? Hey, tell me, bro. Hey, explain this shit, dog. Cause I was just going across the way, dog. What the fuck? People don't need to be with me. The black people already in this.
He just threw that dude over the bridge, bro.
No, I did not. I'm not even that
It's on
strong,
camera.
dog. Please, I want you to have no camera, cause he just assaulted me, dog. He ain't do shit, dog.
And then when I came up,
somebody.
he's gonna get charged with destruction of evidence too, because he just threw a bunch of shit into the water as soon as I pulled.
But what are you charging them with, dog?
I'm
'Cause
charging
they was assaulting me the whole time.
I'm gonna charge you with attempted murder, motherfucker.
Fortunately, the victim survived by swimming to a nearby pylon until he was rescued by a civilian in a rowboat. Derek Gooden was taken into custody and charged with felony aggravated assault, misdemeanor battery, and disorderly conduct. He avoided an attempted murder charge, only because the victim chose not to press charges. But that wasn't the case for the next suspect, who launched an attack right in front of the cops.
What is going on right
I'm
now?
not getting an answer on calls.
Oh, shit.
At around 2 a.m. on the 28th of October 2022, 82-year-old Paul Pelosi called 911 after an armed intruder broke into his house and, oddly enough, was demanding to know where his wife was. Officers were immediately dispatched to the home, but they weren't prepared enough with what they saw behind the door.
Yeah, literally sitting there. Hi.
Guys.
How you doing?
How are you?
What's going on, man?
Everything's good.
Hi. Drop the hammer.
Nope. Hey.
What is going on
Robert,
right
I'm
now?
not getting an answer on call back.
Bro, oh shit.
Any calls in the area that is from the email.
I got him, Michael.
Give me your fucking hand!
Unit code
Give me your fucking hand!
40 Broadway.
The intruder suddenly lunged and struck Pelosi in the head with a hammer before officers moved in to stop him from striking again. But the break-in and the attack weren't just random. The suspect that night had planned to kidnap Paul's wife, Nancy Pelosi, the Speaker of the U.S. House of Representatives, who fortunately wasn't home that night, with her husband becoming the target in her absence. The 82-year-old victim survived but suffered a fractured skull and serious injuries to his arm, while David DePape, the attacker and a politically driven conspiracy theorist, was charged with multiple state and federal crimes and was eventually sentenced to life in prison without parole. It's hard to imagine what might have happened if the officer hadn't arrived in time, and the same goes for our next case.
Stay in your room. If you want to catch a bullet, step out.
Drop the gun now! Drop the gun!
In November 2016, multiple residents of a college campus apartment called 911 to report an armed student pointing a gun at them and making wild verbal threats inside the complex, prompting an immediate response from law enforcement.
If you come out, you will be shot. Stay in your room. Stay in your room. Stay in your room. Stay in your room. If you want to catch a bullet, step out.
Drop the gun now! Drop the gun!
Oh, no. Shots fired. Ah, sure.
Drop the gun!
As the officer closed in, the suspect turned with a firearm in hand, leading the officer to fire 2 rounds and neutralize the danger.
Hit him? Hello, did I hit you?
Huh?
Did I hit you?
Yes, sir.
Where at? Roll him over.
Bye.
Left thigh? There's a gun. I got it right here. Do you have any other weapons on you?
No, sir.
What are you doing, man? Keep your hands right here behind your back.
28-year-old Karsten Cuthair was struck once in the thigh and was treated at the hospital for his injuries. Upon his release, he faced charges of aggravated assault on a peace officer with a deadly weapon, unlawful carrying, and negligent use of a deadly weapon. In the next case, an officer had to confront a dangerous father who was moments away from committing a horrifying act. On April 29, 2018, a woman struggled to retrieve her 2-year-old daughter from the father, 37-year-old Theodis Coleman, who had threatened earlier that day to kill her and her family if she tried to take the child. She had no choice but to involve the police. It felt like a scene straight out of a horror movie as Coleman suddenly lunged and stabbed his own daughter with a steak knife. While one officer stopped Coleman from escalating the attack, another had to immediately provide first aid to the child, who was bleeding heavily from her arm.
Hold her arm, put pressure on it.
Oh, this is what I'm talking about, y'all. This is why I told her I'm not coming over here with that
Hold
bullet.
pressure.
Fucking crazy.
Hold pressure, okay?
Trying to stab my sister, he done stabbed the fucking baby. Michael, call Jazz. Oh, sir, it is bleeding so bad.
Hold it tight, hold it tight.
Running like a hundred in my fucking hand.
This is gonna hurt your baby, just saying.
I don't care. Mom's gonna save her life the way she bleeds.
Here, let go.
Oh, this boy right here.
This is gonna hurt, baby. This is gonna hurt. I'm sorry.
A tourniquet was applied to her arm, and she was then airlifted to Le Bonheur Children's Hospital by EMS, where she was expected to make a full recovery. Coleman was charged with first-degree child endangerment, first- and second-degree domestic battery, and first-degree terroristic threatening. A hostage is involved in our next case, taken by a dangerous knife-wielding suspect. On February 4th, 2023, police in Chula Vista responded to multiple 911 calls about two individuals fighting violently and causing a disturbance in an apartment stairwell for hours.
Hey, back up, man, back up.
Chula Vista
Back
Police.
the fuck up.
Chula Vista Police.
Back the fuck up, man. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Let me see your
Back
hands.
up. Back up.
Let me see your hands.
Don't shoot me, man.
Chula
Back
Vista
up.
Police.
Back the fuck up, man.
Come out from behind
Back
there.
up.
Come out from behind
Back
there.
up.
One of the individuals pulled a knife and took the other hostage as officers approached.
Back up. Back up. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't fucking do it. Back up. Yes, I'm right. Don't fucking do it, man. Back up. Back up. Back up. Motherfucker. Back up.
Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife now. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife now. Drop the knife. Drop the knife now.
That's a bad situation. You guys don't like the situation. Get out of here now.
Back off.
Get the back up. Yes, good.
Dude, back off.
Drop the knife.
Back off.
Drop the knife.
Stop.
Drop the knife.
Back off, you guys.
Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
The suspect refused to cooperate in any way and continued threatening to kill the hostage.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife! Chula Vista Police!
Back up.
Drop the knife. We're right here. He's got a knife to the guy's neck. Drop the knife. We're not going any further. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. We're not going any further. Drop the knife. Yes, it's up to his neck. Drop the knife now. Drop the knife now. We're not going any further. Drop the knife.
Commands were ignored, so officers came up with a strategic plan to end the standoff.
Back up now. Back up now.
Run up to the left. I want him to open the door.
Back up, motherfucker. Now. Now. Back over there. Now. Back over there. Stand by.
They moved in from the back and positioned themselves near a door leading to the stairwell. When the door opened, one officer fired his rifle, striking the suspect in the head. The hostage escaped unharmed, and the 37-year-old suspect died from his injuries 2 days later. The officers in the next case arrived just in time to save a woman, and her reaction was heartbreaking.
Hey,
You're trying to rape me. Can you help
get off her now.
Come here, dude.
me?
You're good.
But it wasn't just the officer's perfect timing, it was also the woman's quick thinking. When she was attacked after an acquaintance's meeting went wrong, police were called, but watch how cleverly she disguised ordering pizza to signal an emergency.
911, what is the address of your emergency?
Yeah, I would like to order a pizza off of fucking Heroes.
Okay. Are you aware you're calling 911?
Yes, I'm sure I'm calling to that number. Trying to get a pizza?
What address are we going to?
So, you got my location, please.
You don't know your location?
No, basically no. I'm stuck in here. It won't take me back home. I'm trying to, but trying to get pizza, pepperoni, extra cheese.
Okay. How many people are there? Tell me.
Just me and him.
Do you have any weapons?
No.
Do you know his name?
I don't know say it because like.
That's okay. What's your name?
I would like to order extra cheese pizza.
Okay. Are you hurt?
The dispatcher quickly recognized the distress in her voice and kept her on the line, using her cell phone signal to trace her location. In the meantime, deputies tracked the call to a fernery field in Pearson, and when they arrived, they found the suspect on top of the woman and wasted no time rescuing her.
Hey,
You're trying to rape me. Can you help
get off her now.
Help me.
Get off her now.
Give us a channel.
Thank God! Thank God! Don't you fucking move! Don't you fucking move!
Come here, dear. Come here. You're good. 21 says to clear the channel. Come here. We're good. We're here. We're here. We're here. We're here. We're here.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus.
We got a mail secure.
He took me.
She was saved before the assault could happen, and it's unclear what else might have followed had officers not found her in time. Hernandez Moncayo, who was in the country illegally, was charged with attempted sexual battery, battery by strangulation, and false imprisonment. Let's end the video with the most outrageous incident, where police had to act fast to stop a man from turning on his children after shooting his wife.
Come here.
On July 24, 2016, a custody-related dispute between an estranged couple turned deadly when Emmanuel Rosado shot his wife in the leg with a rifle, all in front of their 3 children. Deputies from Volusia County sprinted to the scene to stop a potential murder spree, willing to risk their own lives in the process.
Sheriff's office, come outside! Sheriff's office! They're right here in this room, but I got no cover. Show me your hands, now! Open the door! He just barricaded. Come here, ma'am. Come to me. Stay down, ma'am. Stay down. Stay down.
As the wounded woman jumped outside through the window, the suspect opened fire with a rifle. While one officer was pinned behind a tree, another braved the gunfire and rushed to pull her to safety.
I got you, I got you. I know, baby. I know. Here, come here, come here. Come here, sweetheart. Come here, buddy, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
With the woman and her kids secured, officers shifted their focus to stopping the shooter.
49, you got a visual on the front window. I'm pinned down behind the tree here. What do you got? Who's in the house? Which one do you have? Make sure that you have the right one. Who's in the house? Stand up with your hands up. Do it now. Palm to us. Keep your hands up. Turn around and walk towards our voice.
Guys, remember, that might not be the shooter, so you stay behind cover and confirm it.
Keep walking towards us. Keep walking. Go down to your knees. Keep your hands where we can see them.
Rosado surrendered after seeing the growing number of officers surrounding him. He was arrested and charged with attempted first-degree murder, attempted second-degree murder of a law enforcement officer, aggravated assault, and child abuse, resulting